Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know that feeling when you're driving traffic to your website, whether through paid ads, social media, or SEO, and yet most of it just disappears? No conversions, no leads, nothing. It's frustrating, right? You put in all this effort, creating the perfect sales page, tweaking your landing page, running ads, only to see 70 to 95% of your visitors leave without taking any action. That's potential money slipping right through your fingers. But what if I told you there's a way to stop that? Not just stop it, but actually turn more of your visitors into paying customers automatically. That's where Xteract AI comes in, and trust me, this tool is a game changer. Most of the time, people don't buy from a website simply because they have questions, doubts, or hesitations, and no one is there to give them instant answers. Think about it. How many times have you clicked on a website, been interested in a product, but had just one or two small doubts that kept you from buying? You don't want to send an email and wait hours for a reply. You don't want to fill out a contact form. You just want answers now. And if you don't get them, you leave and probably never return. That's exactly what's happening to your visitors. Xteract AI changes that by turning your website from a passive page into an interactive, AI-powered sales assistant. Instead of just sitting there like a digital brochure, your site actually talks to visitors, engaging them in real time through AI-powered chat, video calls, and even SMS conversations. Imagine a visitor lands on your sales page, curious but hesitant. Instead of bouncing off, they're greeted by an AI assistant that can answer their questions instantly. If they're unsure about pricing, the AI can start a live chat and clarify things for them. If they're about to leave, a video pop-up can offer them a special discount or bonus, keeping them engaged. Setting this up is incredibly easy. Xteract AI gives you over 100 pre-designed templates, so you don't need to be a tech expert. You just pick a template, customize it with your branding, and copy a single line of code onto your website. That's it. Instantly, your site goes from being static to being a fully interactive AI sales agent. And the best part? You don't have to do anything manually. The AI handles everything, from answering questions to even hopping on video calls for you. This isn't just some basic chatbot. Xteract AI actually understands what your visitors need and responds in real time. It can recognize returning visitors and re-engage them with personalized messages. It can trigger specific actions based on visitor behavior, like offering an exclusive deal if someone hesitates on the checkout page. It's like having a 24/7 sales team working for you without the cost of hiring actual people. Even if you don't have a website, Xteract AI has you covered. It can generate AI-powered landing pages packed with built-in engagement tools, social sharing options, and QR codes to drive more traffic. This means you can start capturing leads and closing sales without even needing a traditional website. And there's more. Xteract AI integrates seamlessly with platforms like WordPress, ClickFunnels, GroovePages, Shopify, and many others. It even gives you access to over 3 million stock videos, images, and other media to make your AI widgets visually appealing. This is something that normally would require expensive designers and developers, but here, it's all included. Now, let's talk about the real opportunity here. Not only can you use Xteract AI for your own business, but you can also sell this as a service. The commercial license, which normally costs $497, is included for free during this special launch. That means you can offer interactive AI widgets to businesses and get paid for it. And let's be honest, every business with a website needs something like this. Companies are spending thousands hiring developers to build similar interactive experiences. With Xteract AI, you can provide the same service in minutes without any coding skills. Right now, there are over 1.9 billion websites online, and more than 252,000 new sites are created every day. Even if you land just a few clients a month, this could be a highly profitable business. And you won't have to deal with unreliable coders, expensive software, or complex integrations. Everything is designed to be simple, effective, and automated. The team behind Xteract AI has spent over 13 months and $350,000 developing this tool, and for a limited time they're offering it at a one-time discounted price. No recurring fees, no monthly payments, just a single purchase, and it's yours forever. But that price is going up every few hours, and once the launch ends, they'll be switching to a subscription model. So if you've been struggling with website conversions, this is your chance to fix that once and for all. There's really nothing to lose here. It's backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. If you're serious about maximizing your traffic, increasing conversions, and even starting a profitable service business, Xteract AI is worth checking out. Click the link below to get access at the lowest possible price. Let me know in the comments what you think about this tool. Do you see it helping your business? Have you tried anything similar before? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.